welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Hadira and I hope you all had a great Christmas and enjoyed it as much as you could. I know some people weren't able to be with their families and I just hope you still had a great Christmas. This Christmas was honestly so good. I enjoyed being with everyone that I could. My family has been through so many things this whole year and it was just so nice to have everyone together. I honestly just had such a great time. So for today's video, I'm going to be tackling the after Christmas mess. I'm going to be picking up all of the wrapping paper left over and putting away everything that we got for Christmas. You can see everything is just scrambled in the living room and just like all around the first floor. And we seriously need like a huge declutter and just making sure that we clean everything because it's honestly a mess. And just walking in through the front door, it's like, oh my god, this house needs a good cleaning. So I wanted to apologize because I didn't realize that basically throughout the whole video there was a smudge on the lens. So you can see it at the bottom of the video and it just goes on throughout like the whole video. So just giving you guys a little heads up. It's crazy how bad this house was. I thought like, hey, we're not hosting Christmas because we always go to our parents' house. So there's like no way this house is gonna get dirty, especially because I cleaned it beforehand. And boy, I was wrong. This is the messiest it's been, and it's almost because we just threw everything on the floor and just everywhere on the main level. So that's why it looks very dirty. I mentioned in my last video how my family celebrates on Christmas Eve. So once midnight hits, we start opening gifts and we just spend time together and stuff. So we ended up leaving my mom's house at like 3 in the morning and then we had to go to my boyfriend's house at like 10. So I was running on very little sleep because I remember I went to bed at like 5 because I just couldn't go to sleep. And the last thing I wanted to do on Christmas Day was clean. this house got so messy. I feel like I just cleaned and it's just so messy again. On Christmas Eve, I did my makeup for the first time in like a year maybe, and I had so much makeup stuff everywhere in my office. And oh my god, it was just a mess. My siblings also stayed over, so the guest room is a mess as well. So I'm gonna be tackling all of that and getting it ready for the new year. I am so excited for this new year because I feel like so many things are gonna happen in my life. For one, I'm finally graduating in May. I actually just applied for graduation and it feels so good to finally be done. And it's just been such a long road for me, but I am so grateful to finally finish and hopefully start a career soon. I don't know how that's looking because of the whole pandemic thing, but hopefully once I'm done graduating, everything kind of like starts slowing down and I can hopefully find a job in my field. I know a couple of my friends have had such a hard time looking for jobs because of the whole pandemic, so hopefully everything it just looks really good this year. I am so excited just for the whole new year.
Got your blue jeans and your white shirt on. You're a natural phenomenon. Sun is heating up my body, but so are you. How do you do it? Standing there with the matches in your hand. What are you waiting for? Are you waiting for? I got fire, I'm burning up inside. What are you waiting for? Are you waiting for?
The living room, of course, was the messiest out of everything, but once I was done cleaning, it felt like I was in a whole new house. I was able to see the floor again, but it just felt so good having it all clean, especially right before the new year.
You are kryptonite. I am burning up inside. You are kryptonite, and I am burning up inside. Call 911, ring the alarm. Cool me down, 'cause I'm a firestorm. Just standing there with the matches in your hand. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? You are kryptonite. I am burning up inside. You are kryptonite, and I am burning up inside. You are
Also, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I started working kind of backwards today. I usually start in the living room, then the dining room, and then go into the kitchen. But today I went into the kitchen first, then the dining room, and then the living room.
You are kryptonite. I am burning up inside. You are kryptonite, and I am burning up inside. Too young, too scared. I wasn't ready. I'm restless, longing inside my body, growing stronger. Could you release me? Stay away from me. I had it all. I had it all. I had it all. But somehow I lost it. Had it all. I had to fall and I lose myself. Will you be my ray of light?
Alright, guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe down below and follow me on social media. I will have all of my socials linked down below for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you all next Sunday. Bye, guys.